Well, welcome to Beer Porn on Location. Today, hazy IPA. Hazers gonna haze from Belching Beaver. I may look crooked to you. You may look crooked to me. I think you're all crooked. Anyway, I'm at a campground. And I brought along this Belching Beaver. I love Belching Beaver. They have some great beers, including probably the only peanut butter beer I've ever liked. This one is 6.6% IPA or ABV. No, I haven't drunk anything yet. This happened to fit in the saddlebags. Oh, here we go. At the Beaver, we love hazy IPAs, so we decided to introduce a year-round hazy style full of juicy awesomeness. Rotating hop series showcase new hop combinations throughout the year. Same label, different hop profiles. Ooh. So, it doesn't say what the combination is, but that's okay. We can drink anyway. Smells like an IPA. Juicy. More orange juice than anything. Got some bitterness. Got some juice. If I poured it into a glass, I already know it would be hazy because it says so on the label. But also you can taste the haze. The style's got a certain taste all its own. There may be a little bit of other hops in the background, like a little bit of exotic, like mango, something like that. But it's almost entirely orange juice and haze to me. Not much in the way of pine, a tiny bit maybe. The bitterness is there, but it's I think the sweetness from the citrus has balanced it out. Feels good on the tongue. It's that haziness. So, it's a thumbs up. It's not my favorite Beaver, or Belching Beaver beer anyway. I don't know why I had to specify that. But it's a good. It's not my favorite hazy IPA. But it's growing on me. It's been sitting in a saddlebag and riding on the road for like an hour and a half, and then half hour while I set up camp, and so it's not as cold as it was or should be, but it's also sticky. So yeah, it's a thumbs up. Out of 5, I'll probably give it a 3.5, 3 3/4, something like that. That was Woody. Anyway, that's it. I dragged it on too long. Go home now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Oh, and for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, and cheers!